Hey friends, if your computer freezes when printing in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the printer troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. The next solution is to restart the print spooler service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the print spooler service. Right click on it and then select restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And lastly, change the printer. How would you change the printer? So you can just try this printer on a different computer to isolate the cause, whether it's with the printer or the computer, and most probably it will be the print with the printer because you've tried everything else on a computer. In this case, you can simply replace it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.